Are you looking for a website where you can use all AI tools, all premium tools for free? Okay, so this video is for you. Watch till end, okay? So you can see this is a website, caria.ai. In this website, you can use multiple AI tools. So watch this video till end. I will show you how you can get their basic plan, how you can get 5,000 credits of this website for free, okay, without paying anything. And you can see there is Nano Banana tool unlimited, okay, and there is so many other tools which are premium tool, which are paid tools. So you can use these tools for free here, okay. You can generate videos, you can generate images using popular AI tools. You can see here, okay. Here is Carrier model, here is Nano Banana Pro, okay, Flux, Seed Dream, you can see there, Recreate, Chat GPT, okay, Flux, Seed Dream 4.5, all are latest models, okay. So these are the latest models of latest version of these tools, Flux, Imagine, and many others famous tools, okay. So you can also generate video using latest versions of these AI tools, okay, View 3.1 and Hygiene, Video, When, okay. You can enhance image using this tool, okay. So and you can use Nano Banana. Also you can use lip sync, video lip sync, motion control features in this using this website, okay. So you can upload your reference image in Nano Banana and you can create images of yourself or any character which do you want. So this is amazing website, okay. There is so many features: generate images, generate videos. You can upscale and enhance your images, okay. So now for upgradation, you need to create account. First, sign up for this website and now click on your main profile, okay. Open it. Simply sign up using Tabmail or your personal Gmail account, okay. Now you can see there is a option of free. So we will upgrade it, okay. Upgrade the plan. Just click on it. Simply click on upgrade plan. So I will provide you a card number or bin in pin comment. So you can use that comment. You can use that card, that bin to generate cards and get paid version of this website. This is a basic plan. So you will get all these features. Okay, these are LoRa, tuning with up to 50 images, full access, 3D and lip sync features. Now click on simply $9 plan, get basic plan, okay. So this will redirect us to checkout, and now we simply add card details, card number, expiry date, and security code. For card, you can use Namsujan website, and for checking live card, you can use checker.cc. These are the famous websites, okay. So simply copy the card and paste it there. Fill the card information and add expiry date. Add CVC number. Add expiry date now. Okay. Now enter a random name. I enter Asif Khan, and now click on processing. It's processing, and it's 2,616 rupees plan in PKR. So we have got access of pro features, and we have got 5,000 credits on this website, which you can use image enhancer, video generation, image generation, which do you want. So this is the best AI website I have ever seen. All our latest model are working on this website. You can use on this website. That's it. Great. If you want to content like this, if you want get paid tools, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Okay, we are providing paid tools